Hello everyone. In today's video we will learn how can we separate text and numbers in Excel. So you can see that I am typing some data means text and numbers both. I have typed some names and I have put some numerical values here, and I will show you all how can you separate numbers and text. For that what we have to do is, let's select the cell B3 where we will write T, and we will select the method. We will select the cell number and argument done, press enter. You can see that only text is displayed. Just drag it. When you drag it you get only text. For number you have to use n function. Equal to sign, we'll go to equal to sign and we will use n function. Now let's just change the background color. I want to change the background color of this cell, so I'll just simply go to background color and I'll select here red color. Okay, and let's make the text color as white, and here we will do it blue. We'll go it and we'll make it blue and the text color as white. Okay, now for that showing number we will use n function. N, after writing n, what we have to do, we'll select the cell address, that is A3, and then we will press enter. Just drag it. So wherever a text is there, that will show 0, and wherever number is there, only number will be shown. So this is how we separate text and numbers in Excel.